What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another math puzzle. In this one, the question is as follows. Solve for x, and x right here represents the measure of this angle up here. And again, in geometry, when we have the same markings, meaning one line versus two lines, these same markings indicate equal angles. So these are all going to be equal because they all have a single marking, and these two angles right here are equal to each other because they have the double marking. Hit that pause button and see if you can figure it out. When you're ready, hit play and I'll give you the explanation. So we're going to start by looking at these angles right in the middle, because we can assume in geometry that if we have a straight line, it's a straight line. There's nothing that it's not like at a slight angle here. We're going to assume that that is indeed a straight line, meaning this angle in its entirety is 180. Well, if these two angles add to 180 and they're equal, they have to be 90. So I know that these two angles right here are 90 degrees. Then I know that these two angles in here are equal, right? And since I know that for a right angle, a right triangle in particular, the other two angles have to add up to 90 degrees. And since these are equal, they're both x. So what that means is we have the following equation: x plus x equals 90. That means 2x equals 90. Now we're going to divide both sides by 2 to solve for x, and we end up with x is equal to 45, which means B is the winner. That's how you do it. Done. I hope you guys enjoyed this math puzzle, and if you did, please click that like button. If you want to see more math puzzles on the regular, make sure to click subscribe. Thank you guys so much for joining. We'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.